Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a new project on the Filmmaker Pro application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you all YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. So here, that's the home screen, and if you want to create a new project, go to the upper bar and click to the new project, the big plus icon, and here click to the plus, the start here icon at the lower left corner of the home screen, and you can select a video from your device, a video or many as you want. New, click to the OK button at the upper right corner of the home screen, and here you can edit your video, you can add text, music, emojis, different effects and animations. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.